downtown.
Wow! What the hell?
What is up, guys? I just wanted to put out this quick video and say thank you to Adam from MAXPEEDINGRODS for coming along with the channel and supporting the builds. Guys, if you were looking for any turbos or performance parts, anything like that, go ahead and check them out. When you check out, go ahead and use discount code JUNKYARD and get you some cool stuff. I will see you guys on the next one, where we will go over what we're going to do with this beast, because it's huge. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Links in the description. Really though, MAXPEEDINGRODS, discount code JUNKYARD. Go get you some. Deuces.